Hello, everybody. I'm back again with a new video. I stopped by my local Walmart today, picked up 7 fat packs of Topps Gallery 2020. Let's start the ripping. This is what the packs looked like. This is what the packs look like, guys. Topps Gallery 2020, 12 cards per pack, 2 parallels per pack. Pete Alonso on the front cover. Let's start ripping, guys. All right. First pack here. All right, guys. All right. First card. Dean Dietz. Yordan Alvarez, rookie card. That's a good one. I know he had some injuries last year. All right. Should be back to normal again soon. George Springer, who is on the free agent list this year. Don't know where he's going to be signing. Don't know where he's going to sign, but George Springer. DJ Stewart. All right. Francisco Lindor. Superstar in the making. All right. What do we have next here? All right, Master and Apprentice card. Jeff Bagwell and Yordan Alvarez. Jeff Bagwell, of course, is in the Hall of Fame. Okay. We have Jacob deGrom, one of the best pitchers in the game. Okay. Got a Nick Solak. Don't know much about this guy. Okay. Next up, Paul Goldschmidt. Superstar. Okay. Matt Kemp. Not really sure where he's playing next year, if he is playing next year. He used to be pretty good back in the day. One of my favorite players here, Aaron Judge. One of my favorite players. He just murders the baseball. Aaron Judge. Last card of this pack, Byron Buxton. This art is really cool, huh? I think so too. Okay, guys. First pack is in the books. Second pack. Let's get to ripping. All right. Okay. Jeff McNeil. Pretty good player. AJ Puck, rookie card. I think he's going to be a pretty solid pitcher. Next up. Hold on a second. All right. Mike Yastrzemski, grandson of Carl Yastrzemski. This guy has a lot of potential. Mike Yastrzemski. Okay, guys. Bryce Harper of the Phillies. If I can focus on here. Yeah, Bryce Harper. All-Star. Next we have Kyle Freeland. Okay. Masterpiece and Apprentice, Cody Bellinger and Gavin Lux. Whoops. Cody Bellinger and Gavin Lux. Okay. Albert Pujols. Once his career is over, he should be an easy favorite for the Hall of Fame. Okay. Tommy Conley. Don't know much about that guy. Alex Bregman. All-Star. Jordan Luplow. Okay. Aristides Aquino, rookie card. One of the best rookies in this set. Didn't play so well this year, but I think he has talent and potential. So, all right. We have a Mike King rookie card. Last card of the second pack. Okay, guys. That wraps up pack number 2. All right, get to pack number 3. All right. Okay. All right. We have a Kwang Huan Kim rookie card. I have no idea who this guy is. Cool. Okay. Next card, Mike Trout. One of the best players in the game. He has hit his 300th home run this season. Mike Trout. Definitely has potential to make the Hall of Fame as well. Okay. Derek Rodriguez, son of Ivan Rodriguez. I just picked up an Ivan Rodriguez autograph recently. Out of 3, pretty cool card. I bought on eBay actually. Should be arriving this week. Looking forward to it. Derek Rodriguez. All right. Wilson Contreras, catcher for the Cubs. My team are the Cubs. I'm a huge, huge Chicago Cubs fan. And this guy is one of the best players on that team. Okay. TJ Zook, rookie card. Okay. Got another Master and Apprentice, this time Frank Thomas and Louis Robert. Frank Thomas, of course, is in the Hall of Fame. And Louis Robert, of course, is one of the top young stars in the game. So, very cool art. Absolutely. All right. Christian Walker. Okay. Adam Hasseley. Don't know anything about this guy. All right. Ooh, jeez. Travis Diamerte, rookie card. Gary Sanchez, one of the best catchers in the game. Gary Sanchez. Okay. Sheldon Neuse, rookie card. Okay, I think that guy has potential. Last card of pack 3, Manny Machado. I think he was up for MVP this year. Did not get it. Okay. All right, guys. Pack number 4. That's just my dog barking. Pack number 4. Jack Flaherty. Nice young pitcher. Has potential. Yeah, Jack Flaherty. Okay. Mike Moustakas. Okay. Charlie Blackmon. All right. Steven Gonzalez. Don't know much about that guy. Abraham Toro, rookie card. Yeah, that's my dog barking, guys. Abraham Toro, rookie card. Cool. Alright. Here we go. Throwback. George Brett. The best third baseman of all time. Pretty cool looking art on this one. Oh, wow. Cool. George Brett. And look at this one, guys. A Juan Soto. Wow. Juan Soto insert card. Pretty sweet. He's one of the best young players in the game. Has a ton of potential. All right. That's a super awesome card. Probably the best pull so far today. Okay. Nick Birdie, pitcher. I think he's a pitcher. All right. Okay. Joey Votto. Logan Webb, rookie card. All right. Christian Yelich, one of the best players in the game. Had a so-so year this year, 2020, but he should be back to his regular form next year. All right, Christian Yelich. Last card of the 4th pack, Nolan Arenado. Just got his 8th Gold Glove this year at third base for the Rockies. Awesome, awesome player. Cool. That does it for pack number 4, guys. 3 more packs to go. All right, let's get to ripping. So far, I like this set. I like it so far. Okay. Pack number 5. Trevor Richards. All right. Justin Upton. Okay. Pablo Lopez. Okay. Here's a Hall of Famer. Randy Johnson, throwback. One of the best left-handed pitchers who ever played the game. Okay. Another Master and Apprentice. This time, Roberto Alomar and Bo Bichette. Nice. Okay. Just pulled another George Brett. Pretty sweet. All right. Okay. Look what I just pulled, guys. A Trevor Bauer. Guy won the NL Cy Young this year. Wow. Good pull there. Cy Young winner. He may be on the trading block this year. After this, pretty soon here, he might be a free agent. I heard. Yeah. Okay. Andrew McCutchen. All right. Got a Aaron Savale rookie card. Brendan McKay rookie card. Another Albert Pujols. Okay. Last card of the 5th pack. Yusei Kikuchi. Okay, guys, that's it for pack number 5. 2 more packs to go. Okay. Pack number 6. Let me know what you guys think of these cards. Okay. Pack number 6. Kwang Hyun Kim, rookie card. All right. Just pulled a second Mike Trout. Awesome. I'll definitely take that one. One of the best players in the game. Okay. Okay, guys. And Derek Rodriguez, second Derek Rodriguez of the day. Son of Ivan Rodriguez, like I said earlier. Okay. Okay. Our second Wilson Contreras, also. Okay. TJ Zook, rookie card. Okay. Yadier Molina, one of the best catchers in the game. He possibly could also be a Hall of Famer at some point. He's a great catcher, he is. Okay. And just pulled, this is probably one of the best cards I pulled today also. It's a Mike Trout throwback insert. Let's see here. Pretty sick. Awesome. It's probably gonna be at least worth $10 or $12. And we pulled an Eloy Jimenez. One of my favorite players also. The best outfielders and hitters in the game. All right. Trevor Richards again. Okay, another Albert Pujols. I think this is my third of the day. Okay. Another UC Kikuchi as well. Last card of pack number 6, a Gavin Lux rookie card. How about that one? About one of the best rookies in this set. Gavin Lux. How about that? Awesome. I'll take it. That's it for pack number 6, guys. Got one more pack to go. All right. Let's rip this pack. Our second Jack Flaherty of the day. Our second Mike Moustakas of the day. Okay. I believe this is our second Charlie Blackmon of the day. If I could focus. Okay. Steven Gonzalez. I think that's the second one of him today. Don't know much about this guy. Okay. Almost done, guys. Another Master Apprentice. Frank Thomas and Louis Robert again. Second one of these I pulled in this video. Okay. We've got a Barry Larkin, throwback insert, Hall of Famer, Barry Larkin. He was a great player back in the day. Okay. Almost done, guys. All right. Next up, we have a Dustin May rookie card. I believe this is my second one of the video. This guy has a lot of potential. Is this a parallel refractor, possibly? Definitely looks like it, doesn't it? Okay. Dustin May. Okay. Next up, Marcell Ozuna. This guy can flat out hit the baseball. Great player. Has a ton of potential. Marcell Ozuna. Okay. Our second Mike King rookie card of the video. All right. Garrett Cole. One of the best pitchers in the game right now. Jordan Montgomery. Don't know much about this guy either. Last card of the video, guys. JT Realmuto. Another great catcher in the game, who also may be a free agent also as well. All right, guys. That concludes my video today. You guys have a great rest of your weekend. Keep collecting.